We at the Summit Real Estate team are excited to be showing you homes. There's just a couple things you should know before we start touring properties.
Wear slip-on shoes. Lacing up work boots in and out of every house will be kind of a pain, so choose your footwear wisely. If it's in the winter, an open-toe wedge is not going to be the best option.
Start by making a full lap through the home. Remember, you are in someone else's home. Look past the photos on the wall and the decor they have chosen. This will all be gone when you own the home. This can work both ways though, remember. If they have tacky decor, you may not like everything in the home. On the other side, if they have decorated beautifully, you may love the home. Make sure you're looking past all the decor and you really look at the home itself.
If you don't like the house on the first pass, we simply leave. It's not going to matter the age of the windows or what's in the third bedroom closet. If you're not interested in buying it, we just move on to the next house on the list.
We do advise getting a sitter for kids. Looking at homes is not fun. They are constantly being put in new environments with lots of stimulus and other kids' toys. The kids tend to get crabby, and then subsequently, so do the parents. When we do find the home that you want to purchase, we can set up a second showing so you can bring the kids and any other family members that want to view the home.
On average, a showing will last 5 to 10 minutes. It's generally pretty easy to tell if it's a home that you're going to like or not. We typically book for 15-minute increments in the period of 1 hour. That way, when we find a home that you do like, we'll have time to really dig into it. When we find that home that gives you that wow factor, that's when we'll start looking under sinks, in closets, and in crawl spaces.
We at the Summit team are committed to finding you the perfect home. While we shop for your new home, you'll enjoy a no-pressure atmosphere. And keep in mind, sometimes it's just as important to find the homes that you don't like. That way, when the one that is perfect comes along, you'll be able to recognize it.
When we do find a home that we love, we'll want to act on it pretty quickly. In a market like this, that home may be gone in a matter of days, or we might end up in a multiple offer situation, ultimately paying a higher price for the property. Buying a home is a lot of fun, and we at the Summit Real Estate team are excited to be working with you.